Welcome to English classes with Dr. Rajiv. In this session, we shall discuss about 4 different ways to talk about future. So we can talk about future in 4 different ways. So what are those 4 different ways? The first way is this one. So this is actually simple present tense. So in simple present tense, we can talk about future. The match starts at 3 o'clock. It's my birthday tomorrow. I have a driving lesson next Monday. The holidays start next week. So all these sentences are in simple present tense, but they are used for future purposes. How? Because they indicate future events that is a part of fixed program. They indicate future events that is a part of fixed program. Or you can say that we know about the future. So when we know about the future or we indicate future events that is a part of fixed program, we use these type of sentences. The match starts 3 o'clock. This is actually the match starts at 3 o'clock. This is already 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, whatever it may be. The match starts at 3 o'clock. This is fixed. It's my birthday tomorrow. This is fixed. I have a driving lesson next Monday. This is also fixed. The holidays start next week. This is also fixed because the calendar is all set. So when we want to say about some fixed program, right, for future, we use this simple present tense. So simple present tense can be used for future purposes also. So otherwise you can say, in other way you can say that we use for future purposes simple present tense also. That was the one. Now the second one is like this. For future I can say like this also. I am reading a novel. When I say I am reading a novel, doesn't mean that I am reading a novel at this time. This time I am taking classes. I am discussing with you. I am reading a novel. Not this very time I am just having discussion with you. But I am reading a novel. This also means that as soon as I finish my lesson, classes with you, I will start reading the novel. So I am reading a novel. So this is actually temporary action, which may not be actually happening at the time of speaking. These are temporary action. Alright, because reading novel doesn't take very long. So I'm reading a novel, it means these are temporary actions, but may not be actually happening at this time. The second one is for present continuous tense itself is, we can use it as plans also or arrangements also. I'm writing a book. This is my planning. I'm writing a book. This is my planning. So to show or to tell about my plans, I can use present continuous tense for future purpose also. And we can also use it this way also, when we are pretty sure about that one, or this is going to happen very soon. So for all these purposes also we use present continuous tense. I am playing cricket tomorrow. Alright, I'm pretty sure about that one. They are coming to see us next week. So this is going to happen. We are having a party on Sunday. Is also, I'm pretty sure about that one. So when we are pretty sure about that one, or this is going to happen very soon, we use this tense. Not only that, for plans or arrangements, we also use present continuous tense, or for those actions temporary actions which may not be actually happening at the time of speaking, we use this present continuous tense for future purposes. So you see that these are two different simple present tense and present continuous tense for future purposes we have seen. Now the third one is, as you know, that simple future is also used, or simple future is used for future purposes also. Now what are those? I will take my lunch after completing my homework. I will take my lunch after completing my homework. This is used for an action that is still to take place. Alright, so this action will take place in future. So as soon as I finish my lunch homework, I will take my lunch. So this is used for an action that is still to take place. Or plain and simple future also we can say for this one, this type of sentence. So tomorrow will be Sunday. This is plain and simple future. Tomorrow will be Sunday. So tomorrow will be Sunday. This is plain and simple future. We use simple present. Simple future tense, sorry. So, and not only that, we also use this simple future this way. I am sure you will enjoy the game. I think France will win the World Cup. It will be sunny day tomorrow. So these are all in simple future tense. So when we express beliefs about the future, these are all about our beliefs about the future, we use simple future tense. So it will be sunny day tomorrow. This is my belief. I think France will win the World Cup. This is also my belief. I'm sure you will enjoy the game. This is also my belief. So for beliefs also you use simple future tense. But sometimes we use future this way also. He is going to build a new house. I am going to learn French next Sunday. I am going to the cinema tonight. I am going to drive to work today. They are going to move to Jaipur. So all these sentences you'll see that they are written in going to plus first form of the verb, that is infinitive. That going to plus build. So when we use this going to plus the first form of the verb in infinitive, these show that the future is colored with intention. So when we have some intention with that, we use this type of sentences, going to plus first form of the verb, that is infinitive. So for future colored with intention, we use going to build. Going to plus infinitive, going to build a new house, going to learn French, going to cinema, going to drive, going to move to Jaipur. So all these sentences are actually colored with intention. Alright, so they are used for future purposes, but they are colored with intention. So all those things, all those types of sentences, we use going to plus first form of the verb. So these are the different ways we use to say about future. So just to repeat you once more, so in this session we have seen that there are 4 different ways to talk about future. The first one is simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to indicate future. It is a part of fixed program. The match starts at 3 o'clock, birthday tomorrow, driving lesson next Monday, the holidays start next week. This is a part of fixed program. So this way we can use future to tell about the future. Or we can say about the future in this way also. I am reading a novel, I am writing a book, I am playing cricket tomorrow, they are coming to see us next week, we are having a party on Sunday. So these things are actually used when you are pretty sure about that. This is going to happen very soon, or we have plans or arrangements for future, or temporary action which may not be happening at the time of speaking, but that will happen just after that. So these way also we can say about future. And the next way how we can say about future is that using simple future tense. So simple future tense, I will take my lunch after completing my homework. Alright, the action will take place in future. Or this for just telling simple, plain and simple future also we can say tomorrow will be Sunday. So this is plain and simple future, tomorrow will be Sunday. And when we express beliefs about the future, alright, that way also we can use this simple future tense. I'm sure you will enjoy the game. I think France will win the World Cup. It will be sunny day tomorrow. So all these things actually, if you want to say about beliefs about the future, I want to say plain and simple future, I want to say about things which has not happened right now that will happen in future, you can use simple future tense. So, but not only that, there's one more way how to say about future. Is like this: he is going to build a new house, I am going to learn French next Sunday, I am going to the cinema tonight, I am going to drive to work today, they are going to move to Jaipur. So these are all telling about future. So going to plus build, going to plus learn French, going to cinema, going to drive, going to move. So going to plus first form though, that is infinitive, going to plus infinitive. So these type of structures we use when my future or when the future is colored with intention. So when some intention is there to tell about the future, so in that case we use going to plus first form of the verb. So these are the 4 different ways how to tell about the future. I hope you might have enjoyed this session, and thank you for attending the class. And if you like it, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you once again.